Bonnie, happy Saturday. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am so excited about what's in this box. Seriously. I was supposed to do this haul last night, but UPS didn't get here till like 10 o'clock, 10:15. And I opened it last night and I was like, oh my gosh. So check it out. I have a giant unboxing to do for you guys. And I think this is like the unboxing that's got me like the most excited. You know me, I'm excited about everything going on right now for fall. Everywhere. Candles, body care. So when this Avon box landed, I was like, woohoo. So I'm an online Avon rep, which means I only sell with my link, and you get $60. If you spend $60, you get free shipping. But instead of like, I don't go door to door or anything, but instead I do videos to show you guys all the cool products. So in this box, I've got some campaign 18 stuff. Campaign 19 is going to start online Tuesday the 18th. And then I've also got, check it out, oh my gosh, the campaign 20 catalog. And this is the exciting part. This is all this iconic Avon that is actually starting to come out. Oh my gosh, you guys. You want to talk about some quality Christmas gifts for people here. I'm so impressed with this collection. So it was funny. As a rep, we can order stuff in the What's New section, it's called. And if you're interested in signing up as a rep, it's actually free to sign up. You can buy for yourself, your friends, your family, or you can actively sell. It's kind of your choice. Avon, you know, what I love about Avon is, to me, it's like no pressure. I have a fun group I run, and I really enjoy doing it. I actually, honest to goodness, love talking to everybody about Avon and running my little team. So, oh my gosh, you guys. So we had our What's New stuff, and this product, it didn't look very big on the screen when I ordered it. And I'm thinking, gosh, it's kind of pricey because these are actually $35. But when I got it home, oh my gosh, look at the size of this box. And I'm going to kind of show you in retrospect. So this is an Avon candle. I mean, this is how big this box is. I mean, this box is huge. And this is the brand new Avon Iconic. It's actually by Veilment, which is the Korean beauty. These are made in Korea. This is Korean beauty. Oh my gosh, you guys, so check this out. This is the Veilment perfumed body gel. Look at this. Oh my, I was so blown away by this product when I saw it. So let me take it out of the box. Look at this. It's gorgeous. I cannot believe how large this jar is. So just like I said, for retrospect, here's like a standard body cream. Look at how large this is. And what's the ounce on this one? How many ounces is this? It's 4.3 ounces. A body cream is 8 ounces. So it's about a little more than half the size of a body cream in terms of how much you get. But look at the packaging. Oh my gosh. And look at the top. You've got this cool like Veilment, kind of got like stripes on it. This is like, if you gifted this to someone, I think it would be really impressive. So this says iridescent lightweight body gel formula with a romantic fragrance blend, leaves skin looking luminous and beautifully scented. And it comes in, I thought we had 3. It's only showing 2 on here, unless they're bringing the 3rd one. It comes in the Sunset Bloom, which I have, which is citrus, jasmine, and ylang-ylang with orchid. And then there's Love Letter, which I have to get the other one. The other one is peach. This one is citrus, jasmine, grapefruit, and rose. I was a little bit nervous about the rose one because you know me, I don't like roses. So let me just open this up. Look at the lid on this. This is like heavy. And then they have like a top seal on them. This one smells so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, and it's strong. So check out, it's like this glittery, awesome body gel. Okay, let me take some of this off here. It's pretty thick too. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this feels so nice on my skin. It's got kind of an iridescent glow to it. And it smells amazing. It smells like perfume. I mean, it's not like watered down. It's not light. So if you like the strong scents, I'll probably do a review just on these once I get the other one, because I definitely want to get the other one. Oh my gosh, just as a collectible. I feel like I want to get one of these too as a couple of gifts this year, because it comes in a beautiful box. And that's the other neat thing about the Avon website. You can easily gift something to somebody. If you just go on the site, you can order it, and then you can say gift, and you can put a little note there. That's kind of nice, seeing we're all like trapped at home, and if you want to send something to someone across the country, you can do that. So this is the perfumed body gel. I talked about that the whole time. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I did get another one of the, I love the Cucina Essentials. These are the multi-purpose kitchen wipes. These are my favorite. I wipe down all my stove, my refrigerator. Love these. I got some of the Avon makeup removers. This is the mineral complex one. Absolutely love these. So I did get that. I'm trying to get to the new stuff. So, oh my gosh, where is, oh, this is the other, this is called the Elastine Perfumed Hair Serum. Again, this is part of that vintage collection. Check that out. This comes in 3 different scents. I didn't know what one to get because I'm like so excited. So this one actually is also $35, and it comes in Topaz, which is tuberose and pink. It comes in Amber, which is osmanth and musky wood, and then it comes in, oh, that's amber, and amethyst, which is sweet apricot and white florals. I got the amethyst one. But again, I was really impressed with like the size of these bottles. So check this out. This is kind of like a glittery, this again is Korean Beauty. And then, what does it say for these? It says, shimmery scented lightweight formula, strengthens and protects with precious oils, amino acids, and botanical extracts, leaving hair smooth and shiny. But I just love these bottles. Oh my gosh, you know me, I'm a huge Harry Potter fan. I love anything like turn of the century. Oh my gosh. You know, everything from like Little House on the Prairie all the way, you know, to, you know, English turn of the century. I just like that style. So you're going to put this on your hands and then kind of like put it through your hair. I don't know if the glitter actually shows up in your hair. I want to get another one of these. But just going like this, I can just tell my hair smells amazing, and it gave it a little shine. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm loving this. I'm going to do a review. I'm going to get another one of these and do a review too, because I want to show you both of the, you know, actually maybe I'll get all 3. I don't know. Like I said, what's nice is we get the discount as a rep, so you might want to sign up for a rep to get the discount. Oh my gosh. Also, this is a long video. I'm sorry, you guys, but there's a lot here. I did get another Dr. Belmer, the Bubble Foaming Cleanser. My daughter loves this stuff. I've been using it, and like I feel like my face is starting to like even out now. I'm getting rid of the oiliness. Loving this. And then, oh, I got this. This is cool. I got this for, I was thinking about giving this to my husband, but I'm like, it's so nice, I'm keeping it. This is the, it's like a little manicure pedicure set in this cool little purple case. I don't know how much this was. I'll have to look through the calendar. I'm so excited I can't even talk. The catalog. How do I open this though? Why isn't it opening? There's got to be a trick to this. And it might just, oh, you push it. Look, you push it. I saw this online and I'm like, I really need one of these. This is this cool little manicure set. Look at this. This is a lot of cool stuff in here. I love the little scissors. I'm always looking for like the scissors for a hangnail. I want to say this was like $5.95 too. I could be wrong. So I would definitely do a search on that. I'll put the links below to this stuff too, the stuff that's actually for sale. Some of this is coming, like I said, in campaign 19 and 20. So you might have to wait a little bit for some of this. Unless you sign up for a rep, then you can get it now. I did get my husband, I did get him a couple things. I got him his Avon Footworks Lavender Softening Balm and the Callus Cream. He loves the foot stuff. He's always telling me, order me more foot stuff. So, yeah. Okay, now the other big thing in this box, you guys. So this week, Avon just released their brand new ANEW Equinox, and it's funny because I typically don't use a lot of the ANEW products. Number one, because it's a floral, and it's a floral that I don't always love. I have used the Avon ANEW Ultimate. This is a little greasy on my face. So when I saw this product, I was really excited because this is a little bit different. And there's a lot of information on this. This is actually Korean Beauty. It's a company that they kind of like, it's kind of like a Knox LXNEW Avon. So it's kind of like a partnership with Knox. And so far, you guys, I am really impressed with this stuff. So this is the whole gist of campaign 20. Check out all, there's a lot to read on this. So I'm just gonna, this is the day cream. There's a day cream, there's a night cream, and then there's 2 different serums. So first of all, oh my gosh, look at the bottles on this. This stuff is absolutely amazing. They did a really good job on the design. It's super pretty. And then this is actually the day cream. The top kind of thing going on there. And especially now that I'm getting older, like, skincare is definitely a huge thing for me. I've been using the Belief Aqua Bomb, which I love, but I'm actually going to start using this. So check this out. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like a pale, almost like peachy color. And then I'm just going to rub this into my skin a little bit. I would have to use this for a couple weeks to see what I think of it. But I love the fact that it's got literally like almost like no scent, but like a light peony scent. But it's not like a super floral. I really like this one. And you know me, if you've watched me from my other channel, I am not a huge floral fan. And this does not have a strong scent at all to me. So I am super impressed with this. So the day cream actually, let me get to the day cream here. Like I said, there's a lot of information on here. This is the day cream. These are actually $39, which is not a bad price. Day cream visibly reduces wrinkles, improves appearance of elasticity, radiance, and skin texture. So that's kind of cool. So you actually get a free mini day cream with any Knox Avon LX Ultimate purchase on these pages. So I think if you buy like any of the products from Knox, I don't know if there's, I think you have to do the special offer thing, but you're going to get a free mini day cream. So that's actually a good thing. I also got the serum. Check this out. So this looks actually really interesting. This is the rejuvenating serum. And this one's, okay, they also have an eye serum. So there's 4 products. There's a night cream, a day cream, and okay, the rejuvenating serum says luxurious, I don't even know what this says. Panolol infused serum visibly improves elasticity, skin texture, radiance, reduces fine lines and wrinkles for a younger, firmer look. And this one has like a pump. Put a little bit on my skin here. It kind of looks a little bit more like a gel as opposed to the cream. It's definitely more of a serum, but it's not oily. It doesn't come out like a runny oil. And again, it's not a strong scent at all. So that's the one thing that, like I said, some of the new products are a little bit on the stronger side. I like the scent of this one a lot. Love the packaging. So I'm super excited. It says, let youthful skin blossom with the power of peony. So I don't know if there's like some sort of peony infused product in there. Like I said, it is Korean Beauty, which is really neat. So I'm super excited about this new Knox line. I'm going to try it all out. What else is in here? Oh, I got a mascara. Got a mascara. I got the Avon True Color mascara. I needed a new mascara. And then I got one of the A boxes. This is the one, I think this is currently online now. So the Avon A boxes, I'll unbox this thing in a separate video, but check it out. So if you spend $40, you get the box for $10, and then if your order's over $60, you get free shipping. So that's a really good deal. So I'm just going to open this up here. Check it out. You get a full-size product this month. They usually come out monthly. You get a mascara, you get the anti-pollution in the full size, and then you also get a sample of the Green Goddess. So I will do a separate video on this, but this is an exciting A-box, and those are really neat even if you're doing a gift. I also got in here, one thing that's cool when you're a rep, they have a lot of different like offers. So we were offered the summer travel bundle, which means for $6 we got a whole bunch of these awesome samples, and then we got 2 of the deodorants, and then we got like 6 or 7 of the lip gloss. So that was really neat. So actually, I do run a group on Facebook, not a page, an actual group. If you're interested in joining the group, I will put the link below, and then you can ask to join, and then I can let you in. And I'm actually going to offer my group a sample of the new Knox and a Campaign 20 catalog. I think I'm going to do it like for the first 20 people that send me their address. But you have to be in my group in order to get that. So definitely go to my group if you're interested in that. And then I also got, look, I got a ton of like the lip glosses. So that was kind of cool. So, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm literally on Avon overload today with all the exciting stuff. I don't know. I'm really excited about this new skincare and the new catalog. And I'm really, really excited about this iconic Avon perfume body gel. This stuff is awesome. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Definitely hit that subscribe button because I'll have all kinds of reviews, everything going on, going into fall and Christmas. I'm sure Avon's going to do some really exciting stuff. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys really soon. Bye-bye.